Hello guys, and welcome back. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create most simplest, yet an AI integrated chatbot, consisting of only 2 cards. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Now head over to Botpress site and click on Create Chatbot. Follow my steps and I'll also explain along, but if you still missed something or didn't fully understand, please let me know in the comments and I'll be more than happy to explain. The first 2 cards are text cards. Its purpose is just to display a specific line of text, as it is clear from its name. But these capture cards, they do not just display text, but also it captures information, and based on that it gives a specific response from the knowledge base. Now remember to keep that blue icon on, otherwise your bot will not be able to access the knowledge base. You keep hearing knowledge base again and again, and if you don't know what it is, don't give yourself a headache, cause we will be talking about it in a while. Now, type the same thing in the expression card as me and press enter. What this will do is when our capture card captures user info, it will then pass it on to the expression card, and there it will direct the bot to look for the answer in the knowledge base. Now it's time to create our knowledge base. If your flow options are hidden, click on this icon and it will appear. Here we will paste domain of the site, which is info you want to integrate into your bot's knowledge base. Now, this card will be our goodbye card. So when user asks a question and get an answer from the bot, we will send the user then to this card. One thing I forgot was to connect the start button and card nodes. So before testing your bot, make sure your cards are connected to the start button. Otherwise, the bot will not work. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.